Hey guys, today we are going to do 2 Dollar Tree DIYs. And for that we are going to be using some pieces of Christmas stems I previously had, a candle, a Sharpie, a reindeer, a stick, a balloon holder, and checkered ribbon. For our first DIY, we're going to be drawing a snowman face on our candle. This DIY is super simple and very cute. A perfect activity to do with kids. And now we are going to cut a piece of our ribbon to make a scarf for our snowman. I'll be showing the final product at the end of the video. For our second DIY, we're going to be using our Dollar Tree reindeer with our ribbon. Then we are going to make the ribbon into a bow and glue it onto our reindeer. And to make our bow even cuter, we're going to be adding leaves and berries in the middle. Once that's done, we are going to be gluing the stick onto the back of our reindeer. And now we are going to fill the inside of our balloon holder with glue to make sure everything stays together. You may also add pine cones and leaves at the bottom. And our second DIY is done. This was so easy to make. As always, make sure you like and subscribe and see you on my next video. Bye!